Let's talk about what's going on weather-wise here. I want to give you the latest drought update for you because we did get one yesterday. No surprise here. Things have gotten a little worse here in North Texas. Most of the area in at least that what we call extreme drought, which is kind of third highest on the list. It goes kind of a scale of 1 to 4, with moderate being the lowest, exceptional being the highest. So most of the area in that extreme, which is kind of a 3 on the scale there, but there are places that are under that exceptional drought, and they continue to be kind of south of DFW, just west of DFW, just east of DFW, and then kind of right down 35 to the south there, including Hillsboro and all the way down to the Waco area. Kind of this area to the north and up toward the Red River was the area that kind of expanded in that extreme drought. So the fire danger will continue to stay high until we can get some decent rain back in here and kind of help out with those fuels and everything. And that's not going to happen anytime soon because we need about 15 inches of rain or more across all of North Texas to completely, make this map blank again. So that's not going to happen anytime soon. Even if we get a widespread soaking rain event, it's not like all of a sudden that's just going to erase the drought. It'll certainly help us out, absolutely so. But we need a lot of those in order to get out of the drought completely. In the meantime, UNT and Denton 95, feeling like 97. You can just see how brown the grass is in the areas that have not been watered. Obviously the practice field getting watered. So areas underneath the wind turbines there quite brown because of the drought conditions we have going on. Same thing in Cedar Hill, 94 feeling like 98. Lots of brown grass there. So please be careful as we head into the weekend with anything that causes sparks. I believe that one of those fires recently got started by a welder, so careful with anything that causes sparks, any open flames. Obviously burning is banned all across North Texas at the moment. Heat advisory today for DFW to the west and to the north. Even if you're not under a heat advisory, it will still be hot this afternoon. I'm going to go 102 in DFW, 101 tomorrow, and 100 on Sunday. Of course, when you factor in the humidity, it'll feel a little bit hotter than that as well. Could be a pop-up shower storm out there today, mainly across our eastern areas this afternoon into the early evening hours before any of that activity goes away as we lose the heat of the day. I mean, maybe 1 or 2 of them tries to move into central portions of North Texas, including DFW, but even that 10% I think is being a little optimistic. Tomorrow we start off dry and there could be a bubble-up shower storm across our southern areas, but once again, not expecting a whole lot. So there you go, 10% coverage for most of you, 20% even in the area that has a little bit better chance for rain, 30% a little farther to the south, maybe 10% tomorrow. I could see that getting removed. I really don't think much is going to happen during the day tomorrow. But next week we have a little bit of change in store for you. Maybe a couple days or a few days below 100 degrees for those high temperatures. A better chance at some of those pop-up showers and storms Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday afternoon. Like I said, nothing widespread or soaking, but perhaps a little bit better chance to see some rain out there and holding those temperatures down just a little bit as well. At least it's something to hope for. We'll be back.